Welcome to the post-game press conference. We're here with the winning coach, Coach Yang Giao, and best player of the game, Adrian Nocum. Coach Yang, last game, you emphasized the need for more effort and physicality. Tonight, Diallo was a tough matchup. Jordan Heading made an impact, and Stockton made key contributions. But in the fourth quarter, Adrian and the guys found another gear and forced a game 3. What do you think were the key factors that helped your team execute better down the stretch?
Well, for one, mas maganda yung depensa namin today. The last game we played them, I think Diallo was about 67%. No? Si Arana was 92% from the field. Si Balti, 100% hindi nagmintis. So, I mean, we look at those stats, and their efficiency around the basket was just incredible. Almost 95% on the average. So I think that's the first thing we needed to address. We made some defensive adjustments, matchups namin, yung help side namin. No? We wanted to protect the paint a little bit more, get more rebounds. Doon kami natalo nung huling laro. Denominate nila yung loob. Tapos, we got drawn into the defending those bigs. They got open with their threes. Nagtuloy-tuloy na, lalo na nung nag-foul out si Dion. We tried to keep close nung time na yun, pero wala kami talagang magawa. Masyado na silang malalaki. No? We tried to play zone, pero wala rin nangyari. No? So today we tried to make the adjustments. Mabuti na lang umubra. Pero I'm sure by Sunday we need to step up again. Do or die game for both teams. No? Isa lang sisiguraduhin ko rito. No? Pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na to. Hindi ko lang alam kung sino man nanalo. So, yun lang ang prediction ko pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na to. No? Mabuti na lang. We were hitting our threes. No? That helps a lot. When you're making your threes, it helps a lot. No? Maraming naipasok na tres nung si Adrian.
Thank you, Coach Yang. Adrian, hindi naging madali yung first 3 quarters nyo. But in the fourth quarter, you took it upon yourself. 28 points to push the team to Game 3. Saan nanggaling yun, Adrian?
Saan nanggaling? Siyempre, sa mga teammate ko rin. Yun talaga yung bakit ko nakuha yung ganong puntos dahil sa teammate ko. And nag-stick lang kami sa game plan ng mga coaches and yung mga suggestion ng mga ibang teammate ko. Kaya nakuha namin yung panalo.